Whether it's a short trek through the woods or a week-long journey through remote trails, Terravore by TrailFX has the essential products to ensure all your off-road journeys are safe and fun. Getting there is always the most challenging part of any off-road adventure, and with Terravore Traction Boards, you'll never be stuck along the way. Available in both black and orange, each board is made of high-strength reinforced nylon and features a studded tread pattern to provide increased traction to recover vehicles stuck in sand, snow, and mud. Simply place the board under the tires where you need the most traction and slowly accelerate to free the vehicle. The boards are lightweight for easy storage, yet extremely durable, with the ability to withstand up to 20,000 pounds of compression and UV protected to resist fading and sun damage. Boards can be mounted to bed rack, roof rack, or track system for easy storage and transport using the available mounting kit sold separately. Once you've arrived at your destination, Terravore Awnings create the perfect place to kick back and relax while escaping the elements. Available in 3 sizes, the durable water and UV-resistant 420D Oxford Poly Canopy is designed to help keep you cool and dry. The twist-lock telescoping poles smoothly extend and retract to make setup and takedown a breeze. Ground stakes and tension rope are included to keep the awning securely tethered in place. Optional sidewalls are available separately to create a complete enclosure. When not in use, the awning and all components conveniently store in a self-contained, heavy-duty PVC cover, which mounts to most roof racks, cargo baskets, and flat surfaces for easy transport, so your awning is always ready to go when you are. From the sandy desert to rough mountain trails and everywhere in between, Terravore products are designed with your outdoor lifestyle in mind, so you can drive with confidence wherever your trails may take you.